Hi there. Welcome back to another little episode of the MacGyver's Workshop. We're in the middle of our house building project, or actually at the tail end of it here. And as you can see, we've got through the third stages of our countertop in the island. That's done. We got our faucet in place, and all the connections and everything are done. So that's ready as soon as we cut the water on to the house. See, we got our drawer pulls and everything on. There's cabinet pulls. Then that's all looking pretty good. And then this is that microwave we got. I know I think I showed either pictures or a little bit of a video of it when it wasn't mounted yet. But we got it mounted up, and got the kind of the little hood thing going on up there, so it doesn't look naked. And plus it hides the power cord and all that too. So.
And he built it himself. It's so pretty.
Yeah. Well, it was a bit of a challenge.
It's the mink color of the island.
Yeah, and then just a
white trim.
And what we did basically was we built the framework out of scraps from the 1x that was used to frame the doors. And when we cut these pieces here, when you rip a 1x, then there's a piece left over, and then that's what I used to build the framework for this. And I'll stop here and I'll pop up a picture or two. So we got, so we built it all out of scrap except for the skin, which is it's just some real thin oak plywood, or like Luan, but it's oak, and kind of like what would be this little sheeting in the middle of a cabinet door. So it gave us a good surface with a nice texture. And then these pieces here, okay, were actually, we salvaged that.
That's off of the baseboards.
Off the baseboards.
You just flip it upside down.
Yeah, ripped it to, a width that we settled on, and then flipped it upside down and staked it on there.
Such a nice design.
And then this piece here is just pretty much a piece of what was left, because normally the baseboard would be about, 6 inches tall. And ripped that to make this and painted it. So really all we got in it is glue, paint, and the oak plywood. So and of course everything's good and functional. We got our little pot filler faucet under here. It just makes it, and then we got the the LED lights under the microwave.
And we matched our backsplash with.
Yeah, those white outlet plates were just a bit much. So that all came out looking nice. And then we've got our doors all trimmed out. I showed, I think on my Facebook post, or Facebook album, I showed that door we did over there. Now we've got all the baseboard done. Mino and his cousin came over this weekend and helped us out, and they helped knock out a bunch of it while I was working on fabricating the brackets for that microwave. And then of course we got this door done, and as far as the trim and all goes, all the other rooms are, for the most part, they're all trimmed out except for a little bit in the utility room and a little bit in the back bathroom.
Oh, yeah, the transom. Did you show them that?
Oh, yeah, there's our
It looks nice.
little transoms all framed in there. Of course, we still have to paint, but put the gloss on there, but it's all looking real now, so. So now we're pretty much down to, we've got a little bit of tile work to finish, and well, we still have to order our vanity for the
Master bath.
Master bath.
And then dirt outside, and
And dirt outside and
hook the drain up, we're done.
the drain up, and that's going to be about it. So that's we're getting really super close. So that's I'm real tickled to death about that. So anyway, till next time. And thanks for watching.